Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. War between Supreme Lord Indra and Demon King Rudrasura. In the first video, we have seen that Indra is the Supreme Lord, the firstborn and the first to have mind. Mind always has two opposite poles. Example, love, hate, light, darkness, divine mind, demonic mind, etc. The mind can be compared to a bar magnet. Magnet always has two opposite poles, such as North Pole and South Pole. The like poles attract each other and unlike poles reject each other. Similarly, mind too has two poles of opposite qualities. One extreme end of the mind is the divine mind, and the other extreme end of the mind is called demonic mind. Hence, they both oppose each other. The difference between bar magnet and universal mind is magnet attracts opposite poles, whereas divine mind and demonic mind repulse and try to dominate each other. Indra, the firstborn, represents the divine mind, and the king of demon, Rudrasura, the firstborn, represents the demonic mind. We also saw that water was present in the beginning and the universe was created by the water. However, there are two kinds of water. One is called the sweet water, that is called ocean of matter, and the other salt and bitter water called ocean of antimatter. There is a barrier between these two oceans so that they both cannot mix with each other. Yet both of them mix in the creation of species. This clarity on Salila, primordial ocean, is not explained in Rigveda, but Holy Quran explains the two oceans. Holy Quran 25 verse 53. And he it is who has joined the two seas, one sweet and palatable and the other salt and bitter. And he has set a barrier and an insurmountable obstruction between the two that keeps them apart. Holy Quran 55 verses 19-20 states, He unleashed the two seas so that they merge together, and yet there is a barrier between them which they may not overstep. All gods were born in sweet ocean, and all demons were born in salt and bitter ocean. The sweet ocean is the world of light because of the creation of suns and galaxies. The salt and bitter ocean is covered in darkness and lethargy. When the sun was created by Adityas, the demons become disturbed due to the radiance of the sun. Why should demons present in salt and bitter ocean get disturbed as they are far away from the sun? It is because gods and demons have one special quality. Even if they are present in the far end of the universe, they see everything as if happening in front of their eyes. Therefore, the king of demon got annoyed and rose angrily, covered the sun in darkness, and stopped the rivers from flowing upwards by blocking the chakras and stopping the flow of sweet ocean. Demon king Rudrasura covered the sweet ocean in darkness, built a fort around it, and slept around it by taking the form of Ahi, the python with hands and legs. This python form of Rudrasura is called Leviathan beast in the Bible and Jewish scriptures. All gods ran helter-skelter, fearing the fury of the beast. Then the warrior god Indra told the gods not to fear and asked them to perform and offer him soma juice to slaughter Ahi the demon. Gods performed the first Soma Yaga of creation and offered the soma juice to Indra. Vritrasura was sleeping, hence he was not aware of the gods' activities. God Twastri made a weapon, thunderbolt, and gave it to Indra. After drinking the 3 jars of soma juice and in furious state went to war against Ahi, Indra slaughtered Ahi to pieces and pushed him and his associates to the netherworld and sealed the entrance of the netherworld. Let us see few verses of Rigveda. Rigveda, Mandala 1, Sukta 32, Mantra 4 states, O Indra, when you struck the eldest Ahi, he also destroyed the deceptive knowledge of the fraudulent. Even though the sun, the heaven, and dawn were revealed, the enemy is not yet fully destroyed at that time. Rigveda, Mandala 1, Sukta 32, Mantra 5 states, striking the superb cover Vritra with a mighty blow from his Vajra, Indra cut off its shoulders like tree trunks cut by an axe. Rigveda, Mandala 1, Sukta 32, Mantra 7 states, bereft of feet and hands, he still desired to fight Indra. Like an eunuch desiring to act virile, who Indra struck him at the crown, Vritra fell to the ground with his limbs shattered. Rigveda, Mandala 1, Sukta 32, Mantra 11 states, the waters, subdued and constrained by Vritra, stood fettered like the light confined by Pani. The closed aperture blocking the waters was uncovered by the striker of Vritra. Indra retained the fort built by Ahi, but bore a drill where Chakra was active, and he thus released the 7 rivers. Rigveda, Mandala 1, Sukta 32, Mantra 15 states, Indra is the king of the mobile and the immobile, king of quiescent and the forceful. He is the Vajra armed. He as the king rules over all people, and he is all around them, like the rim encircling the spokes. After killing Vritra, Indra won the waters. He established a kingdom on the universe. His throne was established beyond the body of Purusha, where even primordial ocean cannot reach him. It means that Indra's abode is beyond the universe. Indra pushed Ahi to the netherworld and closed the pit of the demonic world. Had Indra not won the war against Vritrasura, the universe would have been perpetual darkness. The universe is free from any demonic activities. Thus, Rigveda nullifies the Purana stories of war between many gods and goddesses against demons. All demons were defeated by the Supreme Lord Indra. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.